Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that makes every BMW stand out. It's paint. We all know and love those iconic colors. But have you ever wondered about the stories behind them? What do those mysterious paint codes mean? Well, get ready, because we're about to decode the vibrant world of BMW colors. First off, what's a paint code? Simply put, it's a unique identifier for a specific paint color. You can usually find it on a sticker under the hood, on the driver's side door jamb, or sometimes even in the trunk. It's typically a 3-digit number, sometimes with a letter and a slash. This code is your golden ticket if you ever need to touch up a scratch or repaint a panel. It ensures you get an exact match to the factory finish. Let's start with the basics. BMW uses a system that's been around for decades. Generally, the codes are 3 digits. For example, one of the most famous BMW colors, Alpine White, has had several codes over the years. But a common one is 300. This is a non-metallic, solid white that has graced countless models, from the E30 M3 to modern M cars. It's pure, classic, and instantly recognizable. Then you have the metallic paint. These add a bit of sparkle and depth. A great example is code 475. Which stands for black sapphire metallic. Unlike a solid black, this color has metallic flakes that catch the light, giving it a deep, shimmering effect. It's a sophisticated and popular choice that adds a layer of luxury to any beam. Another classic is titanium silver metallic, code 354. This was everywhere in the early 2000s, and for good reason. It's a timeless silver that perfectly highlights a car's lines. But BMW is also famous for its bold, expressive colors, especially from the M division. Who can forget Laguna? Sika Blue, code 448. Named after the famous racetrack in California, this vibrant, non-metallic blue is pure. It was famously offered on the E46 M3 and became an instant legend. Another one is Imola Red, code 405. It's a rich, deep red that screams performance and passion. These aren't just colors, they're statements. As we move into more modern times, BMW's color palette has only gotten more exciting. Take Yas Marina Blue, code 68. Named after the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix circuit. This bright, metallic cyan was a launch color for the F80 M3 and F82 M4, and it defined a generation of M cars. Or how about Austin Yellow Metallic, code 67. It's a bold, goldy yellow that is anything but subtle. And we can't talk about BMW colors without mentioning the individual program. This is where things get really special. BMW Individual allows buyers to choose from a vast catalog of unique colors, or even create their own. These colors often have more complex names and are highly sought after. Think of shades like Frozen Black Metallic. So, how are these names chosen? Often, they're inspired by racetracks, geographical locations, or simply descriptive terms. For example, Estoril Blue is named after the Estoril circuit in Portugal. Melbourne Red evokes the vibrant energy of the Australian city. The names add a layer of romance and history to the paint itself. Understanding these codes and names does more than just satisfy your curiosity. It connects you to the rich heritage of the brand. Each color tells a story, representing a particular era, a specific model, or a moment in motorsport history. So next time you see a stunning BMW, take a closer look. It might be an Alpine White classic, a sparkling black sapphire, or a rare individual masterpiece. That color code isn't just a number. It's a piece of BMW's soul. What's your favorite BMW color? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what shades you guys are passionate about. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.